Sri Lanka's rich history of intricate art and design is embedded deep into the island's cultural roots. It originates from the capital of the Kandyan Kingdom, which is known for its art and unrivaled craftsmanship. The introduction of wood carving into the island nation's culture began at Ambakka Temple, which was built under the command of the ancient king Vikramabahu III between 1357 and 1374 AD. Rajanima, the name itself implies, royal creations were founded in the 1980s by a few passionate craftsmen and woodworkers coming together and combining their creative skills that were passed down to them by their ancestors. Rajanima Craft and the Gallery is now owned by the fourth generation of crafters, whose ancestors had involved in building and designing many of the royal houses in Kandy. Upon arriving at our gallery, you will have the opportunity to get a glimpse into the entire woodworking process, from the concept to finished works of art. Our staff is entrusted and humbled to share with our visitors the knowledge of woodworking passed down from generations, which includes the process of how each wood is derived, what purpose it serves, the process of coloring and carving, and the industry's history and evolution as a whole. Also, visitors can engage in painting and wood carving sessions, which allow them to paint and craft their own wooden creation to take home as a precious memory of Kandy, Sri Lanka. In working with our designers at Rajanima Craft, you will have the freedom to design your own exclusive piece catered to your unique style and taste. For your convenience, we make it our responsibility to deliver the finished products safely to any destination in the world. For a taste of great artworks and ancient craftsmanship, visit Rajanima Craft, located at Rajapihilamavada in the sacred city of Kandy, Sri Lanka.